What's good, YouTube? So in today's video I'm gonna talk just a little about the challenge that I'm going to be taking in this next coming few weeks. So I'm gonna start with $15 right around here, and I'm gonna see if I can get that money around level 30, but I'm not giving myself that much of a time limit. I'm just trying to do as much as I can and make sure that I withdraw my money along the process, because right now I'm not that type of trader who will just flaunt and say that hey, everything is fine, I have lots of cash and all that, just so they can try to sell their course. I am still in the developing mode, so I'm still a developing trader. I need to take this as slow as I possibly can, even though I have quite a few number of years in this market trading. I still haven't found that aha moment yet, but the consistency is down the path, so that's what I'm looking forward to getting to. I've actually been trading without clear plans, so that's one of the things that has actually been taking me pretty further away from my goals in this trading journey. So now I'm going to focus on this plan and make sure that I trade according to the plan, nothing else. So I might not show you the account that I deposited on this laptop, but I will do a screen record on my phone and show all the withdrawals and all the procedures of the challenge, because if I can show you on the computer, it will obviously disclose the account details and all that shit. I am not a video editor, so I don't know how to hide all that shit whatsoever, but I get something that I will have to do down the path. But for now, I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna leave that part aside and do a screen record of the phone to show the account and how all the profits and all the losses, just the overall journey. I'm going to show how it progresses. So this is how the plan looks like. When you get to level 30, you should at least secure about 1.8 to 2 million, but this is not something which is easy, but it's doable. It's kind of high risk, high reward type of trading, but if you can manage to find good setups with a bit tight stop losses and all that, you can potentially manage to make more. So you are just risking 25% to make 50%, which is just 1:2 risk to reward. So whatever profit you make from the previous day is your risk for a particular day, just like around this level 2. Your risk is $3.75. The previous day you made 5, so it's kind of similar. It might be a little less or a little bit more, but just what it is. You just risk 25% to make 50%. That's all it is. So now we need to go to the charts and see which markets we'll be looking forward to getting into. So I'm looking forward to getting into so we are gonna start by marking out the highs and lows of the market. Yes. So this here we have the lowest low on the monthly time frame, so it's best to take everything off the charts and start afresh from the monthly time frame and mark out all the possible zones that you can see on the monthly time frame. Here we have another zone. Which is a clear support, but basically supply and demand is just support and resistance. The difference is the terminology that they use. Noise. That's another key. And we mark out the high of the market. This is the last area that we need to look out for, so this will be the final target that we will be looking forward to target. So now that we have positioned also, we see that the structure is bullish and the price is actually rejecting a key level on the monthly time frame. So now it's time to look at the weekly chart and see what the weekly chart is revealing to us. Let's see. Yeah, we won't have anything much. As you can see that the monthly time frame key levels are also perfectly aligning with the weekly key levels, so there is nothing that we can do here on the weekly chart. We can't add any more supply and demand levels, so what we do is we move over to the daily. Before that, there is something you need to see here, because I'm seeing these trend lines. This trend line right around here. This also adds as extra confirmation. Okay, let's see. This trend line has 3 touches to the top side, so now let's see if we can clone it and put it on to the downside. See if we can get the same exact kind of channel that we are actually looking for. Let's get it here. As you can see, price came here and bounced back around this level. Now price came back to this level and bounced back, just like what it did here when it came back to this trend line. It went straight back up, and we expect price to do the same exact move and push towards the upside. So in essence, we don't know how that move is going to take, like how long it's going to take, but obviously in the next coming 2 to 3 months we can see UJ going back up even to make new highs. But for now we need to be focused on getting ourselves into this huge move. So we are going to target this level first, 150 level. That's our target. So this is where we were. Now the whole thing is now set up. The weekly chart is showing us that we are actually bullish. So let's move over to the daily and see if we can come up with new information that we might actually use to our advantage. As you can see on the daily chart, there is some form of support here, so price actually closed at a resistance, so that will be our main key area. right around here. This is our resistance slash support level. So as you can see on the daily, price is currently at a resistance, so we'll be looking for price to give us a breakout, and then we can get some form of radius to move over to the top side. Let's see if we can get any new information on the 4 hour. Let's see if there is a new narrative on the 4 hour. Okay, so right on the 4 hour you can see that price is less likely coming back here. We have had a liquidity sweep, price coming back to this demand zone and moving all the way up here, creating these lower lows, inducing those lows to move upwards. So price is definitely not going to get back down to those levels in this narrative. So as you can see right around here, this is where we had our liquidity resting below before it actually got induced. Right around here, price induced and then moved all the way back up. So what we can expect is a little bit movement to the downside. A liquidity sweep right around this level. So this is the narrative of what I actually think that price is gonna give us an inducement down maybe to this level before finally pushing back all the way to the top side. So we are gonna see. So on the overall direction, we are bullish. We can dive down to the 15 minutes because to this high. That's our target. Let's see how many pips that move is. So it's about 1,783 pips. Pretty decent. So if price decides to go any lower, this is the lowest point it can ever go. So let's put another position, long position. This one is actually the one that I will adjust because we don't have anything which can actually stop me from adjusting. So this is pretty much the level we adjust from here right around to here. So how many pips? Let's just put an allowance of 100 pips since we haven't seen any movement. But what I know is price cannot get down to this stop loss that I've actually put in place. What price can do is go maybe to the 143.5 or 143 flat before actually pushing all the way up, or it can even actually give us a continuation and never go way downwards. So we will see when the market opens how this will goes. Overall, this is our main target.